Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain how do we maintain our culture, especially batik. Indonesian culture is an ancestral heritage that comes from the time of our ancestors. The Indonesian culture is priceless and cannot be contested by anyone and by any influence. The culture in Indonesia is very diverse and very much culture. This cultural diversity is a gift given by God Almighty to the Indonesian state, and it is fitting for us as Indonesians to maintain and preserve our culture, namely Indonesian culture. Batik is an Indonesian art product that is favored by many countries. It is evident that many foreign tourists bring souvenirs in the form of batik when they come to visit Indonesia. Batik is a product that has been known since the Majapahit era, which was originally used by the king and their families. However, with the rapid development of the times, Indonesian batik is increasingly recognized by all people in Indonesia. Until now, batik is known as one of the works that has become the pride of the Indonesian state. The motifs that exist in Indonesian batik clothes are very diverse, and each of these motifs describe a meaning in the life of Indonesian people. Therefore, batik has become a daily job for Indonesian women, especially housewives, to generate income through the batik art that is great. Indonesian batik has given many achievements that made Indonesia proud. It is no wonder that Indonesian batik is an artistic product that is the pride of our country. Indonesia batik should be a legacy that deserves to be preserved because Indonesian batik brings many achievements that make Indonesian proud. There are many proud achievements that have been achieved by Indonesian batik. One of which is the achievement recognized by the United States in the Best New Product category at the New York Now 2018 event. In the era of globalization and the current development, there are many local fashion that have been neglected. One of which is batik. Often the younger generation in Indonesia prefer to use fashion that is influenced by foreign trends. It is clear that this will make local brands less competitive in the fashion market. Not only that, even local brands that are engaged in fashion also often pioneer and create their brands using foreign fashion styles. So it is very rare for local brands to touch element of Indonesian culture. This will certainly cause batik as one of the local product in Indonesia to be eroded by the development of fashion style from outside, and the position of batik as a valuable product has also begun to be shifted by outside fashion. In fact, batik is a local product that can be used as a modern fashion style today and can be adapted to foreign fashion style at the times. Batik has also made extraordinary achievement to be recognized by other countries in the international arena, with the shift of local products in Indonesia. The enthusiasm and love of the Indonesian people for Indonesian culture will decrease. We as Indonesian citizens, especially as the younger generation in Indonesia, must also recognize and maintain batik as a local product in Indonesia. One of the ways that that we as the nation young generation can take care of batik as a culture and heritage of Indonesian state is to cultivate the spirit of wearing batik. As part of the Indonesian state, the younger generation must make Indonesian batik as cloth that is used everyday life such as in the campus area, in the working area, at home, and in the surrounding environment. The younger generation increasingly understands that batik cannot only be used by important people in formal events, but batik can actually be combined with modern fashion trends at the times. In addition, the younger generation can also convey perspective or views on message and value in batik. Those are some ways to preserve batik clothes that can be applied today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.